First Chronicles chapter 27. Hear the word of the Lord. The military divisions. This is the list of the people of Israel, the heads of fathers' houses, the commanders of thousands and hundreds, and their officers who served the king in all matters concerning the divisions that came and went, month after month, throughout the year, each division numbering 24,000. Jeshobeam, the son of Sabdiel, was in charge of the first division in the first month. In his division were 24,000. He was a descendant of Perez and was chief of all the commanders of the army for the first month. Dodai, the Ahohite, was in charge of the division of the second month. In his division were 24,000. The third commander for the third month was Benaiah, the son of Jehoiada, the priest, as chief. In his division were 24,000. This is the Benaiah who was a mighty man of the 30 and in command of the 30. Amisabad, his son, was in charge of his division. Ashael, the brother of Joab, was fourth for the fourth month, and his son Zebadiah after him. In his division were 24,000. The fifth commander for the fifth month was Shamuth, the Israelite. In his division were 24,000. Sixth for the sixth month was Ira, the son of Ikesh, the Tekoite. In his division were 24,000. Seventh for the seventh month was Heles, the Pelonite, or the sons of Ephraim. In his division were 24,000. Eighth for the eighth month was Shibekai, the Hushathite of the Zerahites. In his division were 24,000. Ninth for the ninth month was Abiezer, of Anathoth, a Benjaminite. In his division were 24,000. Tenth for the 10th month was Maharai of Netophah of the Zerahites. In his division were 24,000. 11th for the 11th month was Benaiah of Pirathon of the sons of Ephraim. In his division were 24,000. 12th for the 12th month was Heldai, the Netophathite of Othaniel. In his division were 24,000. Leaders of tribes. Of the tribes of Israel, for the Dabanites, Eliezer, the son of Sikri, was chief officer for the Simonites. Shephatiah, the son of Makkah, for Levi. Hashabiah, the son of Kemuel, for Aaron. Zadok, for Judah. Elihu, one of David's brothers, for Issachar. Omri, the son of Michael, for Zebulun. Ismaiah, the son of Obadiah, for Naphtali. Jeremoth, the son of Azriel, for the Ephraimites. Hoshea, the son of Asaziah, for the half tribe of Manasseh. Joel, the son of Pedaiah, for the half tribe of Manasseh. In Gilead, Iddo, the son of Zechariah, for Benjamin. Jasiel, the son of Abner, for Dan. Azarel, the son of Jeroham. These were the leaders of the tribes of Israel. David did not number those below 20 years of age, for the Lord had promised to make Israel as many as the stars of heaven. Joab, the son of Zeruiah, began to number but did not finish. Yet wrath came upon Israel for this, and the number was not entered in the chronicles of King David. Other civic officials. Over the king's treasuries was Asmaveth, the son of Adiel, and over the treasuries in the country, in the cities, in the villages, and in the towers was Jonathan, the son of Uzziah, and over those who did the work of the field for tilling the soil was Isri, son of Kilab, and over the vineyards was Shemiel, the Ramathite, and over the produce of the vineyards for the wine cellars was Sabdi the Siphonites. Over the olive and sycamore trees in the Shephelah was Balanan Jederite, and over the stores of oil was Joash. Over the herds that pastured in Sharon was Sithrai, the Sharonite. Over the herds in the valleys was Shaphat, the son of Hatlai. Over the camels was Obil, the Ishmaelite, and over the she-asses was Jesses, the Hagrite. All these were stewards of King David's property. Jonathan, David's uncle, was a counselor, being a man of understanding and a scribe. He and Jehiel, the son of Hakmoni, attended the king's sons. Ahithophel was the king's counselor, and Hushai the Archite was the king's friend. Ahithophel was succeeded by Jehoiada, the son of Benaiah, and Abiathar. Joab was commander of the king's army. This is the word of the God to us. O Lord, open our heart, that we put into practice that which you have revealed to us.